If she's not in my vlog, wait till I get in this life. Meet our director, our cameraman. See my pretty classmate, my very good friend. I saw her on my way to class. Yeah. And they kissed me. And they kissed me. I'm pink. I'm pink. What are we going to do now? We're going back to bed. But she's just a Uni Tales girl, guys. You've never seen this beauty before. And she's pretty too. I'm so into it. Oh my god! Let's take this way. See pretty Nora. Gorgeous Nora. Intelligence. What's that trash? Nora, turn. Yes. See beauty.
Good day to you all lovely viewers. My name is Faith Daniel Sokoluchuku and I am reporting from the Namias. Free is a student of this prestigious school who owns a YouTube channel sharing important messages that the Gen Z generation really needs. Now, introducing her is not my call, but let me turn the camera to Dimma.
Hi everyone, my name is dimmailoka. I'm a student and I'm also a content creator. I own a YouTube channel by name dimmailoka TV. So make sure you all go out there and subscribe, like, share, comment, share with all your friends and family, okay? You all need this YouTube channel in your life, for real. This is post-interview chilling, guys.
How you doing, bitch?
I'm telling you, we need to get a video of our wonderful director.
Yeah, look at our wonderful director, Nora. God, I'm so grateful for
you. Need to know the brains behind the camera, and that's her.
That's me for you. Meet our director, our cameraman. Like, this girl is so good. All you want is so good at what she does. Guys, I'm so grateful to this girl who's trying to make my vlog something else. Like, they took it literally from this place to like the highest point. I'm so grateful to you, girl. Look at her. All right, go for it, camera.
But if you don't losing almost all my energy.
Our Ira star. The Ira star of our class. Look at Uchechiko. She's so cute, guys. She's so cute. If she's not in my vlog, wait till I get in this life. If it's not here, the vlog is down. The vlog is closed. Come on. Look at her. My pretty, teacher, intelligent friend. Guys, I love her so much. She's my closest friend here. But she's a late comer. Yes. Hi, Esther.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Look at that brown skin. His skin no poo body. Yeah, it is the flared pants. You're not doing tight pants again. That's the princess of our class. Look at how pretty she looks. Guys, look at the height. Look at the gorgeousness. Guys, I love you so much. Look at TV vlog, the hot now. Now it's a hot. Look at Nora, serious student. Look at Faith is pressing her phone. And I'm not doing anything. Nora the serious student. Our director. Our cameraman.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know.
Are you serious? After school
I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Talk about is still being looked into. Last week, Tinubu approved 70,000 naira as the minimum wage. So if there's anything concerning minimum wage again that is still being talked about, is what?
Use wardrobe.
Because it is part of an ongoing discussion.
It's all the things you never show.
at our Iyom. I'm still vlogging. Dimmailoka TV. They are. That's my vlog every day like this, so make sure you guys look pretty every day because not every day. See the brown skin, see the shape, see the gorgeousness. Uche Chuku. After class vibes, young. She said, look at how I'm shouting in front of everybody. Don't be my vlog. Is this anybody's business? Don't you have freedom of movement?
Yes. You guys should subscribe to my best channel.
Guys, meet Iyom China, Cynthia Shidera. She's a titled girl, so show some respect in our whole faculty. You know, the small thing. It's not easy, and she's my best friend. Cynthia Were.